Today, Livinia.
Oh, it's behaved itself perfectly, Dougal, and the city didn't get quite as hot as yesterday. A weak southerly change arrived late morning. That kept the city to a top of 25 degrees, and it hasn't dropped off too much this afternoon. It's currently sitting on 22.5. Areas further away from the sea breezes climbed into the 30s, though, reached 30 or 31 in most northern suburbs, and in the outer east, Ferny Creek was warmer than the city, peaking at 29. And while most regional locations south of the ranges peaked in the low to mid-20s, it was a very different day further north. It warmed up into the low to mid-30s and 36 and 37 through the Mallee. But while Victoria, we can expect tomorrow is a tiny bit
day today, but the heat is certainly set to hit for the long weekend.
Oh, Tom, the Bureau has increased the forecast for Saturday again. It's forecast to be the city's hottest March day since 2008. 39 degrees. At this stage, the winds aren't expected to be as strong as last Wednesday, falling just short of an extreme fire danger rating. And although Saturday will be the hottest, we're heading for the 30s on Sunday and Monday as well. So much of the state will be under a severe heat wave warning for those 3 days. The highest maximum all summer was 37.5 and 39 is 15 degrees above the March average. So we're set to take a big jump after a mild top of 25 degrees today, and it'll be cooler than that tomorrow. I'll have the full details later in the bulletin. Alicia and Tom.
All right, look forward to it, Livinia. We'll see you soon.
The week, Livinia.
It is, Dougal, but it'll only be a brief dip before temperatures are on the rise again, and that will be ahead of an extremely hot long weekend. I'll have all the details next. Oh, yes, Alicia, tomorrow is expected to be the coolest day of the week, but it'll be a chance to catch our breath before the long weekend when the temperature is forecast to skyrocket. I'll have all the details next. Drizzly shower or two could pop up early on, but we can expect a mostly dry and increasingly sunny day. Most suburbs are heading for 23 or 24 degrees, a little warmer in the northeast, 25 and 26. There'll be cloudy skies over Geelong, and after dipping to 14, it's expected to reach 23. And after a cloudy start at a low of 17, the city is also forecast to reach 23, but there'll be plenty of afternoon sunshine. Friday is looking good as early cloud clears for a sunny top of 27. Then it gets very hot on Saturday, 39, and the northerlies will be quite gusty at times. Staying warm for the rest of the long weekend, 34 on Sunday, 31 on Monday, back to 25 on Tuesday and 23 on Wednesday. And that's what. Good afternoon. It's been a beautiful autumn day across Melbourne. The city warmed up to 25 before a weak southerly change moved in. The proximity to the sea breezes determined temperatures today. Suburbs north of the city were able to climb into the low 30s, and it was also warmer in the outer east with a top of 29 at Ferny Creek. Rosebud only made it to 24 and Geelong joined the city on 25. The cool change kept Warrnambool and Aireys Inlet to 22 and 23 degrees, but it warmed up into the 30s through Gippsland and also in areas north of the ranges. There's been a few isolated showers about, but they have barely troubled the gauges. There were almost 300,000 lightning strikes in the greater Brisbane area yesterday, but those conditions have cleared today with showers and storms contracting further north. For us tomorrow, another high pressure system will move in, and that will deliver rather calm conditions, and early showers along the coast will clear for a very pleasant Thursday. But it'll be quite hot in Perth tomorrow with a top of 35 degrees on the way. Adelaide's also having a warm spell, 33. Brisbane and Canberra heading for 29. Sydney 28 with a chance of a light shower or two, and Hobart 22. Back home, there's likely to be some patchy morning drizzle along the coast, then a mostly sunny day. Maximums through the south will be around average, but it'll be quite warm in the north, up to 37 at Wodonga. There's also the chance of some light drizzle in Melbourne early tomorrow, but it will clear to leave us with mild and dry conditions. And after dipping to 17, the city should peak at 23. Then it'll start warming up again on Friday, a top of 27. And after that, we are nudging 40 degrees, Dougal.
Here we go again.